super duper cool custom GPT that can help you to produce a video from your text within 30 seconds. And I can't wait to show you guys just that these may need the ChatGPT Plus and you do not want to miss this out. Welcome back, guys. If you have not signed up for my free ChatGPT course, you can get it at junlo.net/ChatGPT. And if you want to be able to create 7 videos in a week, do join our 7-day amazing video challenge at www.amazingchallenge.us. Let's come back to this demo, which is super cool. So in order to do that, you must have the ChatGPT Plus versions, and I'm having a ChatGPT Plus versions. And when you're there, I want you guys to go over to the left sidebar of ChatGPT called Explore GPTs. So in the Explore GPTs, I was playing with the trending GPTs, and I found something that is really awesome. Or you can just search Veed. Alright, and then you'll be able to see this Video GPT by Veed. So it is an AI video maker, which is definitely awesome. So once you press it, you're able to communicate with this GPT by Veed to tell them that, hey, you want to create a video. So right now I'm just going to do it like, let's create a video, all right? So it actually will be chatting with you and tell you what to do next. So right now, it actually want me to tell them a specific theme or topic in mind. So create a video of kids playing at the beach. All right, kids playing at the beach. So let's see what it says. And I want to be happily. So it will actually further ask me a little bit more details, like what is the purpose of the video, what are the key moments, what is the mood, what is the duration, and is there any voice over text? So let's talk about the purpose. The purpose, maybe I will just say that this is a purpose for an ad, for vacation, hotel. All right. Key moment, the kids are so happy building castle at the beach. That the key moment. And the mood, it's energetic and happy. All right. Want a voiceover. All right. So these are the prompts that I'm giving in reply to the message. And so the Veed will actually tell me that, hey, it sounds really cool. It's a wonderful concept. And they will actually be asking for my confirmations. And they also ask that, do I prefer a male or female? So let me just put a female here. All right. So perfect. And they are going to give me a concept, how the video will be, what is the background sound. And it is just like you're having like a script writer of a video writer and a director with you. So it also asks that if I really love about this script that they gave, like experience the joy of summer at a hotel name, maybe I would just put an hotel name called Amazing June Hotel. All right, just example. But by the way, my name is June. So if let's say you have not followed me and you would like to get more free access to the course of free ChatGPT, you can go to my website junlo.net/ChatGPT. So I'm just going to click Amazing June Hotel. Yeah, can you guys see that? They fill in the blanks. It's called with the Amazing June Hotel. And I think it aligns to me. So I'm just going to follow the prompt called continue. And voila! Right now, the Video GPT by Veed in ChatGPT will be working behind the scenes. So it's actually showing that it's starting actions. So I have been really enjoying all this. And first of all, you need to allow the Video GPT by Veed in order to talk to Veed.io via the ChatGPT. Once you click allow, they are actually allowing your scripts to actually talk to the software. And can you guys see how fast it is? The video project was generated. So in order for me to view it, I think I can play it here. All right, it will actually bring me to a link back to Veed.io. And it says that they are creating my video. All right, just follow it. And I want to show you guys how amazing it is. And I think they're still typing. And even after like this video project, you have certain suggestions that you want to improve this video better. All right. that is where you are able to use this as well. And there's also some tips. So Veed editor can help you to translate your video into 120 languages, as well as you clone your voice into easy to add voiceover. That is like really fantastic. Okay, so let's see. So here you go. You're able to see that in a Veed editor. So I'm just going to play this. Okay, let's see where to play it.
One.
Right.
So I just had to share this amazing experience I had at the amazing June Hotel. It's seriously the perfect place to make those summer memories that last a lifetime. Picture this. It's seriously the perfect place to make those summer memories that last a lifetime. Picture this.
Isn't
Your
it very
kids
cool?
building their
They actually
very
have the
own
scripts for you
sandcastle on a
and also
sun-kissed
the
beach.
images for you.
Every laugh, every
Let me just show
grain
you
of
a
sand,
video
every
for you
wave,
guys.
it's pure happiness. And let me tell you, it's not just a vacation.
I'm going to export this video so that I can play it to show you guys. But even though there are some things that you wish to edit, you can still edit it within the Vid.io video as well. So it is absolutely free to use. It's just that you need to, if you are using it for free, there will be a there will be a watermarks available. So now let's have the Vid.io to actually render our video so that we can export it out. So let me share with you guys again.
Hey everyone! So I just had to share this amazing experience I had at the amazing June Hotel. It's seriously the perfect place to make those summer memories that last a lifetime. Picture this, your kids building their very own sandcastle on a
It's
sun-kissed
very
beach.
awesome.
Every laugh, every
They
grain
actually
of
fit the
sand,
mood
every
that I
wave, it's
want,
pure
like happy
happiness.
mood.
And let me tell you,
They
it's not
are
just a
wave
vacation,
and
it's a
they did
playground
the
of joy.
voiceover.
The amazing June
They even
Hotel
have the
is where
script. I don't have
family
to do
memories are
anything.
made.
And you
So
can
why
actually
wait?
start a
Book your stay
channel
today and embrace the joy of the
traveling
beach.
pretty easily
Trust me,
by
you won't
just
regret
having
it.
this Vid.io. So I definitely recommend this for you guys to play around. So for those of you guys that you do not actually have the ChatGPT Plus, this is additional reasons that why you should actually get the Plus version. But if you are just using the free version, you can actually just utilize it as well. And if you want to learn more about how I can use my ChatGPT in order to improve my productivity and efficiency, do check it out at junlo.net/ChatGPT. All right. With that, I will see you guys in the next ChatGPT tutorial. Take care, and remember, if you want to be able to create videos just like this, you want to get comfortable with it in 2024, remember that we have this signature program that is called 7-Day Amazing Video Challenge, where I will actually go live teaching you 7 days straight, so that every single day I'm just going to give you a mini tip to improve your presentation and video. What is the outcome? You will be able to complete 7 videos in a week. Interested to find out more? To check it out at www. I'm putting a link down below, www.amazingchallenge.us, and I can't wait to get you started to create more videos very easily in this challenge. I will see you guys then. Take care. Bye.